Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to PattyKakes Kitchen. We want to start by saying thank you truly to everyone who subscribed and supported our channel. And to all our new subscribers, welcome to the kitchen. To a bowl, I'm adding a can of double Q pink salmon. And I'm going to leave some of the juices in there. You can take the bone out, or you can leave the bone in. A lot of people like to crush up the bone in their salmon, but I take the bone out. I really don't eat salmon, but my husband loves it. So, take the bone out. Give it a little mash, just a little bit. And to the bowl, I'm going to add my onions and celery. See how fine I have it chopped? Really fine. Normally, I will saute my onions and my celery, but I had it chopped real fine. I'm adding an egg. And my seasonings, I have red pepper flake, lemon pepper, black pepper, garlic powder, and a little accent. Put all of my seasonings in. Give that a little mix. And I'm going to go ahead and add in my apple cider vinegar. Now that I have everything mixed well, I'm going to start adding in a little flour. And this is self-rising flour that I'm adding in. Add in a little bit more, not quite the whole half a cup. Everything is mixed well. Get you a skillet, add about a cup of vegetable oil or olive oil, whichever you prefer to use. Add about a cup of vegetable oil or olive oil, whichever one you choose to use, to a skillet and let it get hot. And get ready to drop in your salmon. You want to let them fry on each side about 4 minutes, and they should be ready to flip over. It depends on how brown you like yours. But that's a perfect brown. And let it fry on the other side for about 4 minutes. Hey, PattyKakes here. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. Set it to all so you'll never miss a PattyKakes recipe. Thank you for supporting our kitchen. Recipes, music, and merch. Save steak and gravy today and join the PattyKakes Kitchen family.